What's happening, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. My name's Brian Mello with Marty's Buick, GMC, and Chevrolet, and I've got a cool one today because what we're actually going to do is we're going to check out the reveal for the brand new Buick Wildcat EV concept car that was shown off yesterday. This thing, I almost said wild. God, cue the dad joke. This thing is insane. Basically what happened is Buick took everything that they had in the design studio, all their conceptualized ideas, everything that's kind of like floating around for their EV platforms, and they jammed everything into this one concept car. So what we're going to do is I'm actually going to show you the full reveal right now, and then at the end, I'll give you a couple of my thoughts on the car, and I would love to hear from you guys in the comments as well. So let's just get right into it.
Buick has been on a transformative journey, becoming a truly premium brand in every way. What we're going to show you today represents a completely fresh approach for Buick design and technology. The brand's technical thinking, design, and engineering have long been acknowledged and appreciated. That spirit has once again allowed us to add a stunning new chapter to our history with the debut of the Buick Wildcat EV concept.
The Wildcat leaves an unmistakable impression with its timeless proportion and low, ultra-wide stance. Wildcat welcomes you with a personalized wake-up animation produced by micro-LED lighting technology with thin beam projector lenses. The front fascia shows the new face of Buick, which is dramatic and impossible to ignore. Front and center of that new face is the new Buick badge, now mounted on the vehicle. This updated version embodies that heritage with a sophisticated, clean, and dramatic look. This is the badge you'll see on all new Buicks going forward. The whole car seems to be poised and ready to pounce. It looks ready to attack. The wraparound windshield carries your eye through the sloping silhouette to the tail lamps, which are embedded into the sail panel. The vehicle's upper and body side draws you in to discover the alluring blade details of the tail lamps. The dramatic design that seemingly defies gravity continues around the car with powerful corners and aerodynamic lines, all grounded by jet-age turbine 18-spoke wheels. The anticipation to take off is only heightened by graceful and inviting semi-swing doors that welcome you inside.
Upon entering the vehicle, you will observe the visually dramatic yet simple forms that exhibit balance and harmony and modern warmth. The graphic and color contrast create a perception of floating elements, and this was done to accentuate the interior's lightweight feel and perception of boundless space. The sweeping IP, cockpit-like seats with floating headrests, and the premium materials all add to the vehicle's first-class amenities. One of the most groundbreaking ways Wildcat will develop and enrich the lives of drivers and passengers alike is the use of advanced artificial intelligence and biometric technology. The cabin adapts to its user to make suggestions on a variety of functions, from infotainment to comfort and vehicle functions. For example, interior modes like Zen mode automatically adjust the cabin's temperature, audio settings, and lighting. Stunning design and alluring details inside and out. Simple and intuitive technology that improves and enriches the driving experience.
At Buick, we believe we are on the cusp of true, meaningful change. An all-electric future will spark creativity, ingenuity, and deepen personal enrichment. Our vehicle design will be at the forefront of this charge in a modern, expressive language for the future. And Wildcat embodies that future. And while it may be a concept, it's a proof of concept that Buick is once again making limitless possibilities a reality.
All right, so let me know what you guys think. The Buick Wildcat EV concept car. Are you a fan, not a fan, liked it, loved it? Personally, I think from a design aspect and how all the futuristic details, I mean, the thing to me looks like it just came from 2060 and, you know, hit 88 miles an hour and came back. And there we got, you know, the future in front of us sort of thing. You get what I'm saying. Now, will this thing become a reality? Probably not. A lot of the tech and stuff that we saw will for sure translate over to Buick's EV platform. After all, if there was ever a time for Buick to kind of reinvent itself, as we move into like the EV world and the EV space, that would definitely be that time. And maybe they are going to take a bigger swing. You know, we got the new logo now, the new branding. You know, maybe they're figuring out, you know, we got to come out with a halo car, and the Wildcat would absolutely do that. However, what I think we're really going to see is just something similar, or just some of the tech and some of the features from the Wildcat in the future EVs. After all, you know, Buick's been kind of notorious for showing us EVs, and then we get, you know, a crossover, another crossover, because we can never have too many crossovers, apparently. But I would love to hear your feedback. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite parts are, what you dislike, you know, if you have any fears about moving into the whole EV future thing, other than charging infrastructure. They're working on it, man. I swear. They're going to get it done. But as always, I'd like to thank you all for taking the time to watch. I have some really cool content coming up, so be sure to like this one to keep the YouTube algorithm gods happy, and subscribe for fresh weekly General Motors news and content. And yeah, I'll see you all in the very next video. Thanks again. Take care.